You're listening to our 2-mic evaluation kit.
Right on.
This is our Aurora Evaluation Kit, and it allows somebody to start recording with our PDM or our I²S microphone in a few minutes.
Right, so we can cut the conversation here. And you can hear my voice right now.
Yes.
I put the headphones on personally,
Yes.
and it does sound really, really, really good. You can't hear any frequencies where it's sort of gone up really high, no dips. It really is a good quality microphone. Studio quality audio in a MEMS footprint. That is what Sensibel is offering. It's a whole new way to get audio out of a system using laser interferometry. It's not like the piezoelectric method, nor like the capacitives, and there's lots of benefits associated with it. Let's go talk to Sensibel. Awesome, Mike. Thank you so much for having me on the booth.
Yeah, you're welcome, Elliot. Yeah.
So what are we doing here at Sensibel?
So here at Sensors Converge, Sensibel are showcasing our new SPM100B studio quality MEMS microphones.
Studio quality MEMS microphones. Those two words, I don't think I often hear very close together, because when you think of MEMS microphones, often it's like a really wavy frequency response and it's not studio quality. So what's going on here?
Yeah, so we've achieved the performance that you would traditionally get in a large capsule that might be 35 or 40 millimeters in diameter in a MEMS microphone form factor. Compared to existing MEMS microphones, we have a 10 dB higher SNR and a 10 dB higher overload point.
Right.
The key parameters that people value in microphones.
Right. So is this microphone, does it work on a piezoelectric or a capacitive principle?
So it's a completely new principle. It works using optical technology.
You're telling me you've got an optical microphone?
Yes, we use a VCSEL and photodetector to send a light to hit the membrane of the microphone and detect the movement. And we translate that using some advanced processing into an audio signal.
Right, so what does it look like if you've got like a laser coming in, hitting a membrane? Is that actually what's happening, a laser or?
That's right.
A laser, so you've got a laser coming in, hitting a membrane, reflecting off it.
Yeah.
And then you've got some sort of sensor inside that.
That's right.
Right, amazing, okay. And then as the sound comes in, whoa, here goes the membrane moving like this, and that's how you get your signal.
Exactly, yeah.
Right, okay. And when we say studio quality, how do we mean studio quality? What's the biggest advantage of this? Is it just flat frequency response? Is that where that studio quality claim comes from?
That's one of the factors, yeah. So we've a flat frequency response, we've a low frequency roll off around 10 hertz.
10 hertz?
That's right, yes.
And you say it's a MEMS package and 10 hertz
That's right.
is where your roll off is?
That's right. And in addition to that, as I mentioned, we have the very low noise floor or very high SNR. It's another way of saying the same thing. Which is comparable to studio microphones. So when a recording artist or somebody is trying to get a very good audio recording, they don't want the microphone influencing things, adding white noise, or adding any unwanted artifact to the signal. So having a very high SNR, low noise floor is very important, and 80 dB SNR represents the type of performance level that you get on studio quality microphones.
Right, so we've claimed studio quality. Can we hear some studio quality?
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome, so we've got a phone that's been recording our conversation this whole time.
Yep.
Which one are we listening to here? Is it this one, or this one?
You're listening to our 2-mic evaluation kit.
Right on.
This is our...
Whoa, hold there. Only 12% of you are subscribed. Do yourself a favor and subscribe for daily engineering content. All right.
Aurora Evaluation Kit, and it allows somebody to start recording with our PDM or our I²S microphone in a few minutes.
Right, so we can cut the conversation here and you can hear my voice right now.
Yes.
I put the headphones on personally, and it does sound really, really, really good. You can't hear any frequencies where it's sort of gone up really high, no dips. It really is a good quality microphone.
Yeah.
It's sort of the same of what I would expect in a form factor like this, like your classic condenser microphone, right?
Yeah.
But then if you look inside of here, is there actually going to be a condenser microphone?
Yeah, so when you listen to this, you hear studio quality, but then inside this, we have one of our microphones like we have in our kit here. So you're
Bet you
getting,
didn't expect that.
so yeah, so you get the full performance, and this microphone kit is designed to take one of those big capsules, and we
Yeah.
just put one of our microphones in there and get the same performance.
By the way, if you've never had the pleasure of taking apart something like a condenser microphone, one of those ones that needs 48 plus or minus phantom power, you would see a massive membrane in there, about that size. And now to put it into perspective, this would be no larger than a quarter of my fingernail. It is such a small form factor.
That's right. And
Amazing.
And it makes it easier for customers to integrate, because if you were to make a microphone of that quality and have something like a USB output, you would need the phantom power, you
Yes.
would need the analog to digital converter. We provide an I²S output, PDM
Great.
or TDM output that people can use. We run on a 1.8 volt power supply, which is very common on any consumer
All your low power, yes.
device. Yeah,
Beautiful. Mike, thank you so much for having me at the Sensibel booth.
no problem.
Great to be here.
You're welcome.
ipXs, this is some crazy technology, and you might even see it in your phone or even inside the studio of your favorite rapper into the future. Very cool technology. Well done, Sensibel, with what you got.
Thank you.
If you want to see more like this, we'll have some more videos at the end. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and stay disruptive.